Hey guys, today I am making an easy to eat s'mores bar that is done in the freezer and there's literally no baking involved, so if that sounds good to you, stay tuned, welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am no baking. So to start with this recipe, we have to make some whipping cream, which will make the filling lighter and less hard when we go to freeze it. So I am going to add in 1 full liter of whipping cream, and then we are going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar works best here because of how light and airy it is. And we will also add in a splash of vanilla. Don't worry, I'll finish putting the powdered sugar in here in a second. And we want 2 splashes of vanilla. And now, while this is whipping, I'm not going to whip it yet just to protect your ears, but I'm going to have 1/4 of a cup of water in a measuring cup or any bowl will do. And I'm going to add in 1.5 packets. These are 1 tablespoon of gelatin each, so we're going to add literally 1.5 packets of them. And we're going to give that a quick stir just so the gelatin can start setting up. And we'll let that sit for a bit. And I'll show you what to do after I have this whipped up and after this sits. And also, very important, you want to whip your whipping cream until it's not quite forming soft peaks yet. And now what I did was I heated this in my microwave for 10 seconds, and I'm just going to add it to my almost soft peak whipped cream, and I'm going to whip that up again until it forms nice firm peaks. And that you'll want to do on a medium speed. And now to a medium bowl, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of whipped cream, or you can do a bit more, but I'm just going to do half. And then we're going to add in, I'd say about 3/4 of a 725 gram jar of Nutella. And then we are going to do about 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 cup of milk, just until it becomes nice and thin. And just mix or whisk until it all comes together. And now what we are going to do is we're going to do a layer of graham crackers in a 9x13 pan. So I'm going to lie them that way, and they don't have to be completely touching, so that's nice here. But try to make sure the whole bottom is mostly covered. And then we're going to spread on our chocolate mixture over that, and that'll free up our bowl for this next part. And don't forget to spread this out, that's very important here. And now just clean out your bowl. And we are going to place our whipped cream in this bowl just so we have our mixer again. And now we are going to do 7 ounces or just shy of 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. I'm really good at opening these packages, by the way, as long as I have a bit of nail. And there we go. And now we're going to add in 1/2 stick or just over 1/2 stick of cream cheese to a medium bowl that is microwave safe. And we are going to microwave it until it is soft. Now just add your cream cheese into your mixing bowl and place it back on your mixing bowl. And we're going to whip that until it's nice and smooth. Now once that is nice and smooth, we're going to add in 2 cups of whipping cream to that. And the rest of this whipping cream, because we put the gelatin in it and stabilized it, it can now go into the freezer and act like a Cool Whip for your next recipe. In the meantime, whip this up again until all combined. And now with our marshmallow fluff, cream, and cream cheese mixture, we're just going to spread that over top of the chocolate mixture, spread it out yet again, and finish with a final layer of graham crackers. And into the freezer this goes. Now once this has sat in the freezer and is completely frozen, you need to let it sit on your counter for about 1 or 2 hours to soften up before you can slice into it, and it will have to go back in the freezer after you're finished with it. And now that this has sat out for long enough because it's nice and soft, I'm going to take out a slice and let's see if we can get a nice piece out. Wish me luck! Perfect. Let me get you a nice shot of this. And now, of course, it's time for my honest review, so let's just see how this Nutella s'mores bar is exactly. So it is so good. Most of the time when I make a Nutella dessert, it kind of like doesn't really have that Nutella flavor, but in this you kind of get all the layers all at once, and you can taste the Nutella, you can taste the marshmallow fluff, you can taste the graham cracker, and it's so refreshing. So if you ever are in the garden or you go out with your kids to the playground, Definitely consider making this because when you get home, this is the perfect thing that everyone will want, and I couldn't say more about it. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am no baking next. Hey, banana.